So yun guys, ito yung expander GLS natin. Green bronze metallic nito. Ang SRP pala nito is 1,259,000. So dito tayo sa headlight. Naka-projector LED headlight tayo. Tapos daytime running light naka-LED. Tapos backlight is naka-LED. Then meron na rin siyang camera 360 multi-around camera. Yan. Then ang gulong niya is naka two-tone na 17-inch alloy wheels. Tapos meron tayong ground clearance na 225mm. Side mirror natin is naka body color. Tapos dito naka-equip siya ng 360 camera. Keyless operating system. Fabric seat material. Tapos leather wrap steering wheel, tilt and telescopic with audio control and cruise control. Tapos digital na yung meter cluster natin is digital na. Tapos 10-inch na infotainment system na Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Tapos ang aircon natin, automatic transmission, electronic parking brake, brake auto hold, center console with cup holder, dual airbag, driver side and passenger side. Ito yung second row natin. Meron din tayong USB Type A, Type C, aircon vent and controls. So lahat ng upuan is may headrest. Dito 50-50 rin, may headrest din. 60-40 dito sa gitna. Slide, split folding, and thumb hold. 45 liters fuel tank capacity. Spoiler, pin antenna, LED tail lamps with reverse camera. Yan. Then dito naman tayo sa likod. Tapos yan yung likod niya. Compartment. Full flat, 50-50 full flat. One third row natin. Tapos dito, tools. Then spare tire sa likod. So yun guys yung expander GLS natin. So naka-promo siya ng 8,000 down payment, pay after 45 days. So message mo lang ako sa number ko sa 0906-441-0985 para matulungan ko kayo makakuha nitong expander GLS automatic. So I'm Ralph Ignacio of Peak Motors, Jose Abad Santos, Manila branch. Bye!